With a smart home board on your Family Hub refrigerator, you can view, monitor, and control the energy usage for your connected Samsung Smart devices. Under the Smart Home Board Life tab, you can view and access your SmartThings Home widgets such as cooking, air care, home care, clothing care, pet care, energy, and home monitor widgets. Energy lets you easily monitor and keep track of energy use for all the connected Samsung Smart devices in your home and view helpful saving tips. Home Care is where you can view usage guides, helpful tips on how to clean and care for your device. With Clothing Care, you'll receive tips on how to care for your clothing and receive cycle recommendations customized just for you. Cooking lets you view your upcoming meals and gives you access to the SmartThings Cooking Board, where you can join a variety of cooking communities and share your favorite recipes or find new ones to try out. Air Care helps you control the air quality in your home. And Pet Care helps you take care of your beloved pets even when you're away. Under the Devices tab, you can see a list of all your devices that are connected to the SmartThings app. Add the devices, scenes, and services you use the most to your favorites. And all your custom automations can be found here. Tap Menu to view notifications and access settings. Your Family Hub refrigerator makes connecting and controlling your smart devices a breeze.